Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major pairs as well as minus gold, silver, copper, crude, US 30, Bitcoin. So before we get into this analysis using Elliott wave theory, so this is my disclaimer. Read carefully. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So let's move on to our watch list. So starts from DXY and end with gold. So starts from DXY. So everybody looking so excited, right? What we expected, and it is doing the same here. But I expected nearly the 2 to 3 months correction. So it started from September. So only the two, I think, is 1.5 months only. So the correction is going to end, or it is the reversal. So as per my analysis, what we did in the last week, I explained that DXY, Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD CAD, everything got achieved the target, but expecting that Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, except that all the targets got achieved. So whether the Australian dollar is going to break this below that 5.5, the previous COVID low, and New Zealand dollar is yet to make. So at that time, if it correlates to that commodities, US 30, equities, and the dollar index to the other pairs. So my conclusion is one more high is possible in the DXY, maybe a little bit bigger correction also, and it has to reach it have to reach around 100 previous high to break the previous high of 115.5. So let's move on to the deeper analysis in the DXY. So the previous is 114.77. It has to it had to break this one. So my target is 117 to 118, but we need to see that here that one 5-way structure, or it could be a triangle. So for the fourth wave, or this could be the ending diagonal also. And I already we seen in that US oil like that. So I'm expecting a little bit bigger correction or the reversal sign. So this is the one I'm expecting. One from here, it has to it will bounce from here in that 4-hour chart. It looks like, look at this, 1 3 5. So whether this is going to be in a 5-way corrective structure as a W. So this is the on X. So A, B, and C is already did, or this is the one A, this is the B, and one more to the 5-way structure yet to make. So what I expected the 104. So anyway, if you look into the 1 hour chart, it's all looking like a 3-3-way structures. Look at this. The inside way is everything. It is a 3-3-way structure. So this is the flat correction. What I kept this as a flat correction, and here also looking like a 3-way structure. So everything it is a 3-3-way structure. So I kept this as a W, this as a X. So A, B, and C. From here, I am expecting the bounce. So I am not expecting the 104, but if it happens also possible. But this is the fourth way. This is the fourth way, the intermediate fourth way, and the bigger fourth way will end at near to this zone. So once this 5-way, the 3-way structure is got completed, what is the next? So from here I'm expecting for the 5th way, but we don't know whether from here it will bounce for the 5th way, or it is making a complex correction. What I explained the previous, whether it is going to be a bigger correction also, like that running flat like this kind of running flat, or it could be a running triangle. Again, it will converted into the running triangle also. like this, and then this will become very easy to find out, and one more way to the upper side. So from here there is a chances, whether where we are, there is a chances. So how I'm calculating this is, this is the one, this is the one, the rejection. So within this zone 786205, I'm expecting the bounce. So whether the intermediate waves for that either the C wave or it could be a third wave has got completed, means it could be, because everything, it's a very slow movement. Look at this, it's looking like a diagonal in the straight line. If you look in the 15-minute chart or 5-minute chart, you come to know that. So only in that C wave it will happen like this. For example, I will correlate to the DXY. Look at this one, look at this, and you can always do like that. I will show you that. You can always do like this here, always do like this. Here it's a expanding diagonal. Here you can lose the diagonals. Look at this. So here also it looks like in the one heart it's a diagonal pattern, and here also the bigger one. So here also if you did that Fibonacci, it's same range, the 1 to 1272. So I'm expecting the bounce from here. So we will come to the this analysis in that UCAT pair while it is coming. So now the DXY for the correlation to all the pairs. So what we expected in the Euro USD 1.0350, it already did exactly the same, and I already updated everything in my social medias. So what I did, 1.030, sorry, 1.0350 to 1.0550 is the zone I'm expecting, right? So whether this is the end of the trend, didn't know whether how it is going to be. So we have to wait, but we need to, I already shorted this market. As per my analysis, I did. But whether this is the reversal, as per my previous analysis, from here is one more low is also possible, or it is going to be a bigger correction and one more low, or this is the end of the trend and here it's a reversal. So this is a bigger question mark. Expecting the fifth wave trading is very uh, uh, difficult. What I said in the previous videos also, 1 2 3 is a guaranteed, but how I'm looking, why I'm looking for that fifth wave is because of this A, B and C. We needed 5-way structure. Here is the one 5-way structure, and here is the B and C. I need a 5-way structure. How it drops here? So I'm expecting that once it if it breaks the previous low, then we need to be in buyer's side. So the GBP USD, what we did, 1 second. Look at this. I already marked this zone. So here also it looks like 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, and expecting this, so 1 2 3. So everything it did as per our analysis. So a lot of people's message to me also, so what is next, is this valid or not? We did see the previous what we expected, what I analyzed, it did. So wait for this to say, I won't do the conclusion. As per my analysis, it's come, I started to sell and I want to trade the GBP USD, you know very well. So I did Euro USD, Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar. Everything is came according to our analysis. So this could be the reversal for that, sorry, it could be that end of the correction also. What I expected, it's everything it did. So no more conclusion. I no need any more conclusion. I already did all the correlated pairs. and I all correlated to all the pairs. So I took a call here. So the previous fourth wave, look at this 1 2 3, and I already, it's not after that, before that it's also, look at this, August 4th, it did the three-way structure, and one more three-way structure, it is did the same. And Euro USD, GBP USD, this is the one, it's a very short fall right here. Look at this short fall happened. So now this is the end of the third, and one, this is the fourth. And here also I did Euro USD. This one. So as per our analysis, it's doing the same, means we need to do. And this one, I expected from here, but what happened? Look at this. It came down and bounced. And after that, I said this is the one. I'll show you here. After this one, I changed my analysis, right? So from here I expected this one. So whether this is the A, this is the B, and C 1 2 3 4 5 like that, or it's a B, C is a W, so it can be anything. But I need the three-way structure, and it is happening here. So what is next? GBP USD X, what we expected, it's done. So whether it is going to be a little bit deeper and it go further high, could be around 200 pips. After that it can come to the south side. So next is USD CAD. Here also we explained about that diagonal pattern now, just now. So this is the 1A, this is the 1B, this is the 1C. It's not, I am just explaining as a C, it's not a C, it's a WXY. So again there is one more, it could be possible, the 5-way structure as a Z. So if it did, so what will be the next? So what we did here is, sorry for the drawings man, so I have explained this one already, whether this is a W, this is the X, this is the one A. I'll show you in the blue lines. Sorry, I didn't clear anything before that explaining this. So this is the one W, it could be W, this could be the X, so this could be the A, this could be the B, and this could be the 1 2 3 4 and 5. And I already explained that need to trade above this only. If you are expecting the fourth way, we are expecting the fifth way here, I already explained that. What happened? It came down. So what it will be? So either this is a W, this is the X, this could be the end of the trend, means we are on the downside. So again there will be a one more up is also possible. In what? So if this is the one, look at this, I will show you in the other chart. It's already missed. Look at this. This is the one is A, so this is the one is B, so we can mark this as a red. So this is the one blue. So 1 3 5. So this is the one A, B, and C. So this is in the formation of the ending diagonal pattern. So what is meant by that? A, B, C. So this could be the W, and this could be the X, and this could be the A, and again this is the B, and one more C is also possible. So we can, if we kept this is the A, this is the B, and this is the C, means it's a zigzag, means this could be the W, this is the X, this is the I'm looking for the double zigzag, the double correction part. So Whether this is the one A, this is the one B, and this is the one C, means it's a A, B, C. If this is the A, this could be the B, and C means that is also possible. But if this is the one as a flat correction, I am expecting only the 80 to 70 to 90%. I need the flat correction, not from here itself. So I'm taking this as a double zigzag. So if this is after the three-way structures, again the five-way structures. So this is the one I'm expecting for the double zigzag. After the B, one more C wave. So this is the A, B, C is a one zigzag. For the correction is the connecting wave. Another the one more A. This is the B, and this is the C. So this is the double zigzag. So this is how I'm trading. So if it is a flat correction, I need a 78% or 80% deeper corrections flat. How we did here. 1, 2, 3. Deeper corrections, almost the double top. So I'm looking this as a double zigzag. So one more high is also possible. So after this could be the connecting wave. So one more five-way structure or three-way structure is also possible. So this, from here it looks like for me it's a connecting wave only. So I'm not going to challenge it. It will break this high. So if it did also, this is the one W, this could be the X, and one more A, B, and C. After this only it will go. If it breaks the high also. So W, X, Y. So what else? The next one is USD JPY. Look at this. This is also the same what I expected. So here in the 4-hour chart, this is the one A. It looks like a triangle, but here, from here, once again, yeah, here I am not able to make this as a three-way structure. From here, this one, this is the one A, this is the one B, and this is the one C. It's closed here. So from here it looks like an impulse. So if we took it this as an impulse, this is a correction, and one more impulse is already did. So this is the one W, this is the one X. After that also everything, it's looking like a three-way structure. So whether this is a triangle or whatever it is, so if we kept this as a B, C, D, E, from here, if it is a triangle, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, it looks like that. Or this, if this is the W, this is the X, this is the one A, this is the one B, and C. So anyway, I'm looking from here the bounce. Whether it is going to be a little bit deeper, no worries. I'm expecting the bounce. So all the USD pairs looking like a bounce, and the correction is got completed. And one more in this is USD chef. I didn't see that also. Later onwards only I observed, because I just focused on the Euro USD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. I didn't done the USD JPY and USD chef. Later onwards, look at this, nearly 600 pips from here to here. And what we did, one, it didn't break the previous high. 1, 2, 3. Then the target got achieved. What I did here, I didn't see this pair. One of the guy has thanked me to bring the beautiful analysis. Then only I recognized to see the chef. So now it did the same, and it didn't break the previous low. So whether this is going to be a running flat, or it could be an expanded flat, but I need one more high. This is not the completion of the wave in my view. This is not the completion of this, because it's looking like 1 2 3. Here is a 1 2 3. So everything, it is a 3-3-way structure. So I took it this as a running flat. So still one more high is possible. That means USD is having strength. So everything I correlated, and then only I did my Euro USD, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar I short. And one more, the beautiful pair, this one is USD SGD. This got a potential to break out like a triangle, and I updated in my all trading view or social medias. So whether this is a 1, this is a 2, or this is a 3, right? This is a flat correction, and this is going to be a triangle or not. But here's A, this is the B, this is the C, and D, and E is already almost here at the 50% of the previous D wave. And it's almost 61.8 now. So why I just keep on watching, and I already in buy at 1.3750 I bought, 60 I bought. I'm just keep on watching this, but making this as a stop loss. But as per that triangle breakout entry must be above this level. That is a safer. But I took a call. As per my analysis, I took it this as a stop loss, making this as a stop loss, because it's already broken the previous. One second, I will show you that. It's already broken the previous high, so I took it this as a running triangle, or it could be a running flat also from here. So I took this as a triangle. So how long it is in that correction period? From 2017. So almost 5.5 years it is in the correction. So the same pattern occurred in USD JPY. Look at this. From here 15, and this is the end of the corrections to 21, 6 years. So the same thing, USD SGD is nearly 5.5 years from here to here. So why not? It could be the potential to make a huge breakout in USD SGD. So if it did, see what is my reward? It's nearly, I'm almost expecting, if this is a ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C is going to shoot, means nearly 1.6, or if you targeted as 1.56, also nearly 2000 pips from here. For the stop loss, nearly 600 pips. So 1:2.5 risk reward is there. So I took a call here. So this 5.5 years is a triangle. The same thing happened in the USD. I'm just repeating, because a lot of people are skipping, right? Or it could be that fast moving forward, like, and they may miss this one. So USD SGD, I'm in buy with the stop loss of this. That is why I have explained here. So read carefully each and every thing I have written. Look at the stop strictly here. This is the one I already placed the stop loss, and I am in the buy side at 1.3760. So this is the one. This is a beautiful trade I'm expecting. And now you move on to the USD, yeah, Australian dollar. One second. Yeah, in the 4-hour chart, look at this. Here I expected the 3-way structure, but what happened? It did in that. In the 1-hour chart, I expected, right? If it breaks the high, it already did. I expected here, but it already did, and it broken the previous high. So now 3-way structure is got completed. I expected from here, but I expecting this. I'm not in the buy side. I'm looking for the sell. So after this, I expect the 3-way structure, and it's like 3-way structure here. So 1 2 3. or whatever you did, it's a W. This is the X, this is the A, this is the B and C. So any wave, I'm looking only any wave or any wave, I'm looking for sell. So that's what I did. New Zealand dollar, the previous itself, we marked everything here. So the three-way structure, it is happening. It's that nothing wonder and nothing is a holy grail, and there is no crystal ball here in this education. Is the financial market, it's only the education. Whatever the strategy you are using, go deep. Look at this. I expected the three-way structure and it did, and now one bounce. It's dead. So if we measure in the Fibonacci, almost we are in the 6. That is why I explained, right? It could be one more 100 pips. In Australian dollar, it's mostly around 100 pips here, and Euro USD, it's most of them, it's maybe around 200 pips to 1.0550. Also in JPY, you also seeing that 200 pips may or may not, but I started to sell this pair. So we covered everything, and let's move on to the USD, sorry, Euro New Zealand. Same, this is the one that's happening, so wait for that. But after that, Euro and New Zealand, it's going to be a suffer, means I don't know how it will move here. Both the pairs are losing against the dollar. I don't know whether how it will go here. So once it reached in the one spike also like this, once again, there is an opportunity also without any pullback like this. Without any pullback like this, it may drop also. So because this is the W, this is the X in the expanding triangle, A is already did beyond the B. Once the B wave is completed, the C wave will be very fast. It's like lightning speed in this market. So beware in the buy side and be aware on the sell side too. So once, whether it is going to be drop like this also possible. So if you need to pick this call, making this as a strict stop loss, looking for that. That's it. The next is, yeah, we covered everything. US 30. For US 30, one second. Yeah, I need to correlate the S&P 500 and my Nifty, right? So here it looks like 1 2 3 4 5, it's already complete. It looks like here's a 1 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5 is already completed. It looks like 1 2 3. So from here, whether it is going to drop or making one more high. So if it is making one more high, so then S&P 500 we need to watch. And last week we explained there is a looking like a 5-way structure, and the 5-way structure has got completed. So I took it this as a 1 2 3 4 5. So here it's looking like 1 2 3 4 and 5. So making this as a strict stop loss, going for the buy. And here I looking for the 3-way structure, and I explained that whether it is going to be drop like this or again one more high, it will took all the stop loss here, and I'm expecting this one for that running flat. So either this could be, I don't know whether this is a or it is going to be a 1 or 2 or A or B and C. So anyway, I'm looking for the 4-3, but before that we need a drop. It's already broken this. The same thing happened in US oil. I will tell you that, right? Otherwise I will show you here itself. This is the one. It's already broken, but I will explain you whether I'm expecting this one from this is 786, so it bounced, but I will explain you. But this is the pattern I'm expecting, and in S&P 500 also it's already broken the previous high and I expecting the drop. So from here I'm expecting this one. So whether this is the one A, this is the one B, and this is the one C, means the three-way structure has got completed. So whether we didn't know the five-way structure, three-way structure, and again one more five-way structure to the downside is also possible. If this is the one is A and this is the one is B, because if a zigzag correction means, if it is a zigzag, if this is the five-way structure beyond already 38.2, means the correction is got completed and suddenly there will be a drop like this one, because zigzag will correct over the only the 38.2 most of them. So this could be the end of the trend also. What we are expecting, one more drop and one more high. So this could be the one more 5-way structures to reach the here, and after that there will be a drop also. We need a 5-way structure and it already did, but this is the one is a little bit complicated. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that 3-way structure and one more 5-way structure is also possible. And why I'm saying if it drops means US 30 is also going to drop. So this is the one connecting wave, this is the one, it's sorry, this is the one, the 5-way structure is a drop, and this is the connecting wave, again one more drop is also possible. So if we correlate to the Nifty, look at this, we already here same pattern, 5 ways and the 3 ways, it's a zigzag or 3-way structure. So almost beyond the double top, whether it is going to break the previous high to hit all the stop losses and all the attract the buyers, and it's already broken the high, means all the retail traders will come in the buy, and later onwards one more drop is also possible for that running flat or running triangle, or it could be the expanded triangle, sorry, expanded flat also. So beware of this. Here it's looking like one, I took it this as a 5-way structure. It could be a 3-way structure also. From here it's a one more 3-way structure, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So almost it is going to be hit the double top, and it's a huge supply zone. So this could be the one, be a 3-way structures to complete. So if this is the one is a WXY or whatever it is, either 5-way or 3-way, or this is a 3-way or 3-way. So one more bigger drop is ahead. So that means dollar is going to shoot. So here also in S&P 500, I'm looking the same thing. So why not? This is a possible. So be cautious. So let's move on to the Bitcoin, and it's very beautiful analysis Bitcoin. And I bought the Bitcoin at here in the zone. I bought, as per now I am in profit and making this as a stop loss. Why I did here, look at this, this is the beautiful 5-way structure. This is the beautiful 5-way structure. One second, I will put it in the 15 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Beautiful 5-way structure, and later onwards it's making a correction. Whatever the correction, I never mind. I entered here. Once it break this, I entered here. So just now watching for that bigger moment. Why I am expecting this? This is the analysis, and as per this is the one, right? And for this one is A, this is the one, it's a B, and this is the 5-way structure C. So this has got that A, B, C, right? So this got the completed of the B wave. So one drop, Here's a one correction, one drop. So for this impulsive wave, we need one more impulsive wave to complete. So this is the one I'm looking for, C or Y wave. If this is the W, this is the X, A, B, C. So if you look into the 15-minute chart, five-way structure is started. Like how I catch that Euro USD previous. So this is the one five-way structure. So after the two-way structure, so this could be the wave 1, this could be the wave 2, or it is going to be a complex correction. One more low is also possible, but not to break this low. If it did like this, as per my analysis, it need to reach that 21, but I already placed the TP at 20,500, 20,500. Because in the one spike also, because here it's already did that spike in the C wave. Look at this. So I already placed everything. Stop loss, target, I fixed. Here the thing. Nearly 3,000, right? Yeah, nearly 4,000 points within 3 hours. So why not this could be? Because this is the C I'm expecting. Look at this from here to here. Saturday, November 5th, its target got achieved. We no need to be a greedy. Just place the stop loss as 2,500 here. Just exit in the three-way structure. So this is what how I'm looking the market. I already see, and the beauty of the Elliott waves is, look at this, and I already present this one of the forum, and here as one second, I will show you the magical of the Fibonacci retracement correlated to that 1272, where it is for the running flat or running triangle. The beautiful analysis. I don't know how it is working with the Fibonacci. It's a grateful. So this is the one A, this is the one B, and C I'm looking to trade. So once this target is completed, and a lot of people are expecting you will trade in that below for the bigger target, I won't trade. One is enough for me, because if we expecting for the running flat, and if you took the sell here, it will, where you put the stop loss, we don't know whether where we have to put the stop loss in that to try running flat or expander flat. Expecting the running flat, market will do expander flat. It will do like this. Where you put, didn't know, just exit. Where you did, you just exit your target. Don't be greedy. We don't know how the formation, wave formation will do. Here one is A, this is the B, we know, but how long the C will go? It may go like this also, and later onwards one more down. So I just took us buy and place a stop loss and place the target also. So now what is the next? US 30 we finished, Bitcoin finished, the copper, right? What else you need, man? Look at this. What else you need? We are there almost, right? Look at this. One more three-way structure, again it's going. So if you analyzed once again, if this from here, right, or here, 1 2 3, so 4 and 5, so I need to analyze, no need to analyze here. So after this, so what we expecting, the connecting wave, right? So this is the one, it's ABC, is a five-way structure, 1 2 3 4 5, or is a ABC is a A, ABC is a BC. So any wave If this is a or W, and X the connecting wave, or B, and one more drop is there. So that means copper, if it is going to the downside, there is a chances going to the downside. If this is the end of the correction, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar has to suffer. Simple. So what is next? One second. So crude, it was a beautiful trade. It was a beautiful trade, and I already bought at 85 here and booked the profit at 88.5, and I exited my position because previous I saw before, while I am entering in the trade, this was my analysis. This is the 1A, so this is in the running flat I expected, and it almost bounced. So a lot of people asking me, so this is the possible for the target, and if you're still looking for this, but the wave formation from here, I will show you in the 15-minute chart. Why I exited at 88.5 means it's looking like the triangle. You can do like this also. So this is the one A, B, C, D, E, and the C means, so here it is going the three-way structures, but I need 5-way structures. Triangle happens only in the 4th wave, but it is not the 4th wave here. It is not looking like a 4-ways here. It's not looking like the further. One second, sorry. It's not a 4th wave. It's looking like a B wave, because here also it's anyway. If we force the chart 1 2 3 4 5, if this is the 5-way structure and this is in the looking like a double zigzag, fine, but it's already dead here. It's looking like an impulse. So this is the one is A, this is the one is B, and this is the one is C, means we need to, 1 second, yeah, 87.31, 87.31. So if we kept this as a B, C is A, so A, B, C, D, E. So this, if this is a triangle, so the after the triangle it's a breakout. So it's looking like, look at this, look at this. 1 2 3 4 5. It's very simple. But why I exited this? If this is the end of the trend means you may stop out if you are not placing any trial stop loss, and all the money will go on. And here also I'm keep on watching here. I took it this before the market in that CPI data, I think, yeah. From here I took the buy. After that I didn't book the, because my target is 104. Why I need to? Because I placed the stop loss at 72.6, invalid 76.2. I already placed the stop loss here. So our target of 104, 105 here. But why I exited? Everybody is asking the same question. Why? See, I am targeting here. Why you need exit and placing the stop loss? But I need to see the wave formation also. So what else here now it is doing? So there is a chances for making this also. So then this is the one, it's ABC. This is the one, it's a ABC. So this is the one, ABC means this is the A, this could be the B. And it's already broken. See, I'm showing all the possibilities, and it is already broken the previous high. Look at this high, 93.62, 93.73. It's almost 9 pips above the previous high, and that is also valid for end of the trend also. I'm expecting this as a running flat or extended flat, making this as a stop loss. This could be the end of the trend also. Mind this one. This is the one A, this is the one B. So how you end that here? For that, 1 3 5. So A, B and C, it's an ending diagonal also. Be careful. The same thing happened in gold previous, where here each and every part we need to understand. This is the one I'm expecting for this. So what I did, this is the A, so this is the B. I'm looking for the C to break above this, but expecting this, I'm not in buy side. What happened here? Look at this. So it could be the US oil. If this is the one, ABC is a end of the trend of the B, so again we may reach that target of 60 and below. So why I'm expecting this one? Because of S&P 500, Nifty. So crude and the equities are little bit correlated, not all the times, but it's correlated. So if I'm looking for the Nifty in the flat corrections and it's almost in the double top or triple top, whatever you called it as, and S&P 500 also is 38.2, it's already did, and we are expecting for that downside. US 30 also downside, so why not the crude can be a downside? Why I'm looking for the crude is a downside? UCAD is going to shoot from here. DXY is going to shoot. Australian dollar and New Zealand dollar are going to the downside. So everything I correlated, and then I make a decision to exit my position in US oil in the profit. That's it, simple. But later onwards, what it did, look at this. It's a huge fall. So now, whether it is going to be again like this, maybe, or again it is going to be like this, could be, and again. But anyway, we need to trade this oil above 93 only in the buy. Until that, this five-way structure, I'm not sure about this. Whether this is could be the start of that downtrend also here. And if we took it this as a ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and a C means this is the tricky one in Elliott waves. The market. So this could be the A, this could be the B, and this could be the C, means you may suffer. If you place the stop loss, it will hit your stop loss. So be aware of this. You need to be uh, a professional trader. You need to be a deeper Elliottician. So what is next? Silver. I love this silver, right? And what we expected, 1 2 3 4 5, and it's already did 22, and I expected the 22.5, but I shorted this market at 21.8. Still I'm having the, so why? This is the one, my analysis. A, B and C, it's already did. Here it's already broken this one, and here it's looking like a three-way structure, and here is a three-way structure, and after that it fell. So this is the one A, this is the one B, and this is the one C. 5 ways, 3 ways, 5 ways. What is that? One correction is got completed. We didn't know whether it is going to be again one more high, but the target is going to fix at 19. First you can exit your position at least 50%. We don't know whether it is going to be like this for the complex corrections, but the correction is got completed. So if you correlate to the DXY, what I am expecting, bounce. If you correlate it to the UJ, going to bounce. UCHF, bounce. So at that time, silver and gold to suffer. So if you correlate to the gold, it's a little bit confusion for me. I didn't get the wave count there. It's a beautiful here. It's clearly seen. ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and C. So this is the one A, this is the one B. Phi is a 5-way structure. C is already almost completed, and as per our analysis, it is going to uh, turn to the south. So what I'm expecting, that same thing, whether it is going to be like this or at least for the 19 and then again one more high, after that one more down, that we have to watch. But if there is a chances for from here also to take to the south, so if you call it to the gold, I'm not getting this. I'm not getting this wave count here, because if this is the one A, if this is the one is a B, right? C means 5-way structure. I need a 5-way structure. So if we kept this is the W, this is the X, this is the A, this is the B, C, I need a 5-way structure. So anyway, I need a 5-way structure. And here it's looking like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, but this is not that as per the rules. As per the rules, if this is the wedge formation, fifth way must to come like this, not to break the same wavelength here. So that is what I expected at 1742. Maximum is the same. If we kept this as the same wavelength, it should be from here 50, from here it have to come to the downside, but again it bounced. So I confused, but I didn't done anything in gold, even though I know that 1750 what I already explained in that all the previous analysis what I shared in that all the social medias. So now it's looking like whether, see, the low is not yet broken, the low is not yet broken, it's looking like a three-way triple bottom. So how we kept this as a W? If this is the X, this is the one A, this is the one B. So see, we need a 5-way structure, but it is not looking like a 5-way. So what is doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for this is the 1, this is the 2, so this is the 3, and one more 5 is also there. So this is the one. So the third wave is got extended. The third wave is got extended. Or else, see, look at this. It's looking like here also five-way structure is got completed. But sometimes it looks like, look at this, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here is a 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4, this could be the 5. So if this is the 5-way structure, right? So this is the B. There is a chances for the C to complete here. So at that time, so if this is the A or W, this is the, here is the X or B. So there is a chances for W, X, A, B, and C. So what is mean by that? So this could be the end of the formation of W, X, Y. So this could be the again A, B, C. Here it's a 5-way structure in the W, X, Y, X, Z formation. So this is the W means again this is the X, and Y is also converted into W, X, Y. So if we see in the bigger picture, that is why I told you right before itself, I'm not catching anything in gold. I'm not sure about this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is the perfect. After this I expected if it breaks from here also, I need, if it breaks the low, it's already did, it broken. So now I am expecting this one as a like this, but again it came drop. So I took it this as a double zigzag. It's a double zigzag. So even though I took it this as a sometimes 618 is also near to that and then again bounce. So this is also valid. So in silver I am sure about this. So this is the one clear picture I got. So I just hold it to that, and I'm not in gold. So let's wait for this, for that. Anything will give, and one more three-way structure in the bones will tell you. So whether this is a W, this is a X, this is the one more A, B, C is a Y. So this is the completion of that one more A, B, and C in the bigger picture. Yeah, let's wait. So I hope enjoy my analysis. Look at this once again. I will just, yeah, once again. Yeah, let's hope you enjoyed my analysis using Elliott Wave and you get some knowledge in the Elliott Wave. So thanks for watching, and have a nice weekend to everybody, and we will see you in the next week. Have a wonderful weekend to everybody. Bye. See you.